I have just bought the sketchiest 2018 E63 AMG. And by sketchiest, I mean it, because this is how I bought it. I bought this car off Copart as a rejected repair, which means that the shop that was fixing it rejected the repair for some reason. I don't know why. So it came with a brand new free front bumper, hood, fender, 2 doors, quarter panel. But the sketchiest thing of all are these pieces that it came with. And all this stuff here hides behind that quarter panel. So I might be in for a treat. But if you don't already know, this is the gnarliest sleeper car ever. 603 horsepower in that bad boy. We got heating, cooling, massage seats, and dynamic. Woo-wee. And this side is not wrecked. It's an all-wheel drive, so you can launch this thing 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, but also has drift mode, so you can get a rear-wheel drive, 600 horsepower animal. And with the help of 2 battery packs, we can get this bad boy running. Listen to what it sounds like. It's insane. Ooh, ambient lighting. And who needs rear seats? But let's hear this thing. Insane. I mean, just a couple of lights on the dash, but guess what? We got 28,000 miles. And I paid $28,000 with how it is right now, wrecked and everything. You guys let me know, is that a good deal? And is the E63 AMGS the best car money can buy? Peace.